Yeah, now I logged into the doctor's dashboard. Okay. So maybe this doctor is practicing in multiple hospitals. Okay. So they can able to choose other hospital they are practicing. Okay. And they can able to go to their profile and they can add multiple of their hospitals also. Okay, in update profile they can add more hospitals if they are practicing in different hospitals. Okay, so that they don't have to have multiple different logins for different hospitals. They can just have single login and they can able to maintain the all the appointments from the single dashboard. Okay, so now we are also collecting all the information about the doctor, like what is their educational experience and what is their basic consultation fees and what specialty they are and their degree certificates. So whatever required. So if anything needed, also we can improve on that. Okay, the moment they come to the dashboard, they can able to see how many total patients are there and how many appointments. Okay, there are two types of appointments we have. One is uh, clinic appointment, that people coming to the clinic, and the other one is a virtual online appointment. Okay, and they can able to add new appointment directly from the dashboard. Okay, as well as they can able to register any new walk-in patients. They can directly register them. So you can see here I will register one patient. Okay, so not all fields are mandatory, just basic information is okay. Then after that I can able to put if I have some other information like emergency contact, if anybody referred the doctor. Okay, and I can create that patient. Okay, immediately after I create the patient, it asks for the appointment. So I can select what type of appointment. So they come to my clinic and the date of appointment, and I can also choose the time slot when they come. If they are rescheduling to for future, I can put any reason for the appointment. Okay, so now the appointment is created. It will also show it in the patient app also. So you can see in the dashboard that today's appointment for the patient is created, and I can able to add the prescription. So I can directly create the prescription here. Okay, so I can put the patient's vital, something like BP. Okay, so here we have some other predefined vitals also. So doctor can just click on edit and enter those details, like what is the patient height and weight, and what blood group they are. Okay, and what is their basic blood pressure. Okay, and what is their sugar level. Okay, and what is their pulse, temperature. Okay, so you got it right. Okay, so these are basic things. All the the moment the patient comes, either doctor or somebody helping the doctor will note down these details. So they can immediately put those details and they can create the prescription. So they can mention if they have any allergies. So they will get the predefined list of data also based on their previous appointments. Okay, so the doctor don't have to create it again and again. You got it right. So the this will be it will be there. Correct, correct. Not only for this patient, because most of the time the risk factors, allergies, complaints will repeat for the next patient also. The doctor don't have to type again. For example, I will just put, you see here, I just put H. Doctor don't have to type hypertension, hyperthyroidism, all those things. Automatically it comes. Okay. Past medical history, I will put, you see here, you got it right. Hernia repair, whatever. I mean, patient complaints, I can put whatever complaints the patient will have difficulty in breathing or you can see all these are already predefined, the big database. Okay, you got it right. And clinical findings, I can tell liver enlargement, okay, whatever. You got it. So now I will mention the diagnosis, what they have doctor has diagnosed. So I can put liver transplant, liver disease, whatever. You got it right. These are the medical terms. Okay. Then I can put investigation. If I want to take any test, okay, I can mention here. Okay, for the lab. You got it right. So the lab will Okay, and I can put some remarks also. Okay, right. So now I can mention the medicine prescription. So for example, I can put Dolo, paracetamol. I will put. See, okay, so I can choose the dosages also. You can see here there are so many dosages. These are the doctor terms only. Okay. So for example, I select once in a day, and for this I can put 3 times a day, and I can mention here also when they can have. Okay, and I can put remarks also after food. You can see this is automatically filling up. Can you see this? Okay. Next follow-up date also I can mention if I want. If patient has to come again, I can mention. It automatically fill ups this. You can see here. Okay. Now I can either save or I can save and print also. The moment I click print, you can see the prescription will start printing also. Where I can give it to the patient. You can see the print view. Got it? Automatically my name also is taken. Okay. All details what I mentioned has come here, so doctor don't have to type the prescription manually also. Okay, I can just print it. Okay, and next time if the patient come again, you can see here automatically. These are my old appointments. Okay, so you can see here this is my new appointment, right? If I want to update the prescription also, if the patient comes again, you can see all those details came again. I can put up other medicine also. Okay, and I can print again also the prescription. Okay, update and print. You can see here now my new prescription will get created with that additional medicine also what I put. Okay. You can see here. Okay, so these are some add-on option. I can also copy the prescription. For example, sometime if I have the prescription written in the paper, I can also upload this, okay, manually from my laptop. Okay, like for example scan copy or anything. Now if I go to the appointment details, I can see everything about the patient. I can chat with the patient. I can write a notes about that patient. I can update the vitals. Okay, and then I can also upload, see all the prescription history. Okay, and follow up history also. Okay, so if I go to my patients list, I can see all the patients whom I registered. I can search them, filter them, and this is the calendar view of my appointments. Okay, you can see here. So the when I come for the day, if I open this, it will show up all my appointments list. I can see in day view, okay, like this, or weekly, monthly, okay, and also I can filter online appointment and clinic appointments also. From here also I can add the appointment, or I can add from here also. Okay, got it right. So for this, we also have the app for the doctor also. Okay, uh, so that app I cannot demo now. Okay, it is in the Play Store. It is for doctor. Yeah, built by me, but for the customer. Okay, so this is the doctor app. You can see all those functionalities, whatever you see here. Okay, those functionalities are there for doctor app also. You can see they can register the patient, they can add the appointment. Okay, they can filter by date. Okay, and also there is a patient app also. Okay, so you can see conflict for patient. They can able to log in and they can see. They can able to book an appointment also from there only. They can search for clinic. Okay, and they can see the pharmacies also. Okay, and they can able to see their appointments. You can see here the doctors. Okay, and they can able to book the appointment from their end only, like Practo, you know, right? Like it's a flat platform. It's a platform for hospitals and doctors also. Individual doctors also can use. Yeah, yeah, correct. So this is not. I mean, this is something which is already using by the doctors. There are a lot of doctors using it. Okay. Yeah. For example, the mainly it is in Delhi. The doctors are using in Delhi. Okay. I think around 100 doctors are using already. Web, Web plus Android. Yeah, but nowadays everybody want a cloud solution because doctors sometimes they go to multiple clinics, right? They cannot sit in one place offline. Okay, so in that mind we have. Okay, we will develop according to him. You just show the demo what we already have. Okay, so yeah, fine. You can share this with them in case if they have any doubts or question, we can connect. Sure, sure, sure. No problem. Yes. Okay, no problem, no problem. Fine. Oh, it's a very big project actually. I tried to, I given only for the web for now. Web. Okay. Let him decide on that. If he looking for app, almost the same cost only will come. Okay. Separately, correct. We will develop in Flutter. Okay. So that he can accommodate for both Android and iOS. Fine. I given two types of costing also. Okay. So fine. Let me know if any updates. Okay.